Looking to brighten up your evenings outdoors? In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best outdoor light for patio spaces can transform your backyard into a cozy, inviting retreat. Let's explore the perfect lighting options to enhance your outdoor gatherings and late-night relaxation. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Jkimk Solar Globe. The Jkimk Solar Globe is a thoughtful and practical addition to any outdoor space, bringing both charm and functionality to your yard, patio, or garden. One of the standout features is its smart switch technology. With just a single flick to on, this solar yard light absorbs sunlight during the day and automatically provides warm, welcoming illumination at night. No manual adjustments needed. Jkimk has noticeably raised the bar on quality control by implementing 3 additional pre-factory inspections. This rigorous testing process addresses a common issue seen in similar products, where lights dim or fail within a week. Confident in its durability, the company backs it with a 1-year guarantee. Installation is refreshingly simple. The reinforced ground stakes and straightforward assembly steps mean that even seniors or children can set these up without worry. If any quality concerns arise, Jkimk promises reliable after-sale service with a 24-hour response time. Number 2. Beslowe Outdoor Wall Light. The Beslowe Outdoor Wall Light effortlessly blends durability with modern style, making it a smart choice for enhancing your home's exterior lighting. Designed with a sturdy metal frame and thickened glass panel, this outdoor wall sconce is built to endure harsh weather conditions year-round. From blazing summer sun to freezing rain and snow, the Beslowe light remains resistant to rust and corrosion, preserving its stylish matte black finish for years. The clean lines and simple silhouette give it a contemporary minimalist look that complements various architectural styles. Its clear glass shade allows for bright illumination, casting a welcoming glow around patios, front doors, and walkways. Versatile in placement, it's equally suitable for garages, porches, and entryways. The wall light requires an E26 base bulb, compatible with LED, incandescent, CFL, and halogen options. For those seeking extra style, ST58 or ST64 Edison bulbs add a vintage flair. Number 3. GOI String Light. For those looking to add vibrant, customizable lighting to their outdoor gatherings, the GOI String Light is a top contender. Offering a dynamic RGBIC lighting effect, each bulb can display multiple colors simultaneously, creating a lively, festive atmosphere, perfect for parties, holidays, and evening get-togethers. The Govee Home app enhances the experience with 16 million colors, 47 preset scene modes, and a unique DIY feature that lets you upload a photo and automatically match its color scheme to your lights. The Music Sync mode brings an extra level of entertainment, as the integrated mic lets the lights dance in rhythm with your favorite songs. These smart string lights work seamlessly with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant for convenient hands-free control. With an IP65 waterproof rating and shatterproof plastic bulbs, they're built for outdoor durability, standing up to rain, wind, and minor bumps. While the power adapter isn't waterproof, the light strands themselves are designed for dependable all-weather use. Number 4. Tenmiro 200FT String Light. The Tenmiro 200FT String Light is a fantastic choice for those who want bright, energy-efficient lighting to cover large outdoor spaces. Equipped with oversized, energy-saving LED bulbs, these string lights are capable of illuminating patios, courtyards, backyards, and decks with warm, inviting light while saving up to 90% on electricity bills. Built to last, each bulb boasts a remarkable 30,000-hour lifespan, drastically reducing the need for frequent replacements. The IP65 waterproof and wear-resistant design ensures durability through all seasons, whether it's the scorching summer heat, heavy rain, or snowy winter nights. The heavy-duty flexible cord resists wear and tear, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications, including bistros, pergolas, tents, and special events like weddings and holiday parties. The thoughtful design includes a 17-foot extension cord and 32 breakage-proof LED bulbs, with 2 spares provided for extra convenience. Number 5. Lutec 9500 LED Light. The Lutec 9500 LED light is an outstanding solution for those needing powerful, multifunctional outdoor lighting. With an impressive 9500 lumens of brightness and 4 adjustable heads, this floodlight covers up to 2,500 square feet with clear, even illumination. Its 5000 K daylight color temperature makes it perfect for enhancing security and visibility in areas like driveways, garages, backyards, and swimming pools. The 4 versatile lighting modes offer flexibility for various needs, from motion-activated lighting to continuous nighttime illumination. A highly sensitive motion sensor detects movement up to 59 feet away within a 180-degree field, instantly lighting the area for added safety. Beyond its high-powered floodlight capabilities, this model includes a 200-lumen nightlight, ideal for providing soft ambient lighting when full brightness isn't necessary.